Hey there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are making these amazing chicken skewers. They are easy to prepare and are amazing in taste. Let's prepare the marinade for the chicken first. In a large bowl, take 1 cup of plain yogurt. Add in green chili paste. Then goes in ginger and garlic paste. Salt to taste. Then goes in the chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder. Mix this all well. Add in a tablespoon of roasted and ground cumin, 3 tablespoons of cornflour, and 1 egg. Mix all this well. Add in the garam masala. Then add in 500 grams of boneless chicken cubes. You can easily double the quantities or halve them. I added a little more of cornflour as I felt the marinade was a bit runny and loose. Give this all a really good mix and check for the spice and alter them if needed. Let this marinate in the fridge for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. While this has marinated well, pierce them into long skewer sticks or small toothpicks. Press down 2 or 3 cubes of chicken depending on the size. These make for a great kid snack or a party starter. We relish them for our first iftar at home. I recently made a larger quantity for a Ramadan event at our local mosque, and they sold out in just a few minutes. You can also fry these just as cubes without the skewers. Have them all ready for frying. In a pan, heat enough oil to deep fry. Add the sticks individually. And fry on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes or until they start to turn golden. Do not over-fry them as it will make the chicken really dry. Take these out on a kitchen towel. There we have juicy and delicious chicken skewers ready. Add a generous sprinkle of chaat masala and chopped coriander leaves. A squeeze of lemon juice tastes great too. I hope you give these a try and let me know how these turn out for you. Hit that like button and do consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.